I guess there's not a better time than never to start the video. But it is cold. Unk's in the truck. Unk is Dickie's dad. We got Cheese and we got the Defender. We're going somewhere with the Defender. Look at them, dude. They didn't even do it. Oh, they're about to try to take off with these wheel chucks in here. I should have left them. But we got some secret sauce cooking for the Defender. It's cold. I'm getting in the truck. I'm not telling y'all what it is until I don't know when. Unk, where are we eating at this morning?
I don't know. Probably Chick-fil-A or Hardee's.
Ooh. I vote Hardee's.
Hardee's.
Cheese?
I don't give a fuck.
Dude,
Food is food.
we about to load in here like some sardines. But I'll pick y'all up at whatever poor breakfast restaurant we stop at, because it's getting tore up from the floor up. Come on. So we went ahead and stopped at old Hardee's. Cheese, should we like give them a hint of what we're doing to the Defender or what?
No, not one bit.
No.
They can wait.
Clickbait.
Yep. They can wait.
Yeah. Unk's getting in position. He's handling.
He about to ready. I start snoring. Yeah, big daddy.
He's gonna be back there. I'm like, Unk, you good? Yeah. Wasn't even asleep. Where's Dickie?
Still bad.
Yeah. Hey, Dickie, you raggedy as hell.
She's gonna call us and be like, where you guys at?
I need to put a picture of Dickie here and a picture of a potato here. Let's do that. I'll pick y'all up whenever I'm creaming my face with this freaking sausage and cheese biscuits.
We don't get them.
Unk's pissed. He's looking around like that.
I think we had to kill the home.
We got Speedy Gonzalez.
Huh? I drive the speed limit.
Jeez. You're a rebellious young
Hawaiian
male. I'm getting after it. I rate my biscuit 8.9 out of 10. The biscuit itself could be a little bit fluffier. And I feel like the sausage could be a little bit moister. Windows are down. Unk blew his rear end out. Unk, you gonna have to wipe when we get here. Dude, when I tell you, I didn't think I was gonna pick this camera back up until we got there. But when I tell you something crawled up in that man and died. Jeez, how bad is that? It's horrible.
Is it worse than Callie and Dylan?
Yes. There's something about it. It has this like lingering, sticky, it sticks to your nostrils.
It takes a while to hit you, and then you're like, "What the fuck is that?" And it just like fucking grabs you by the chest and it just yanks you.
Because I usually enjoy smelling my farts.
That's insane.
Jeez, you didn't never farted and went like, "Get out!" Before?
No, nigga, my farts be devious. I'm talking about I'll gas a car out in a heartbeat.
Yeah, I like doing it.
Smelling your own farts?
No,
I like gassing people out there.
Yeah.
I'll give you that. I love that. That shit cracks me the fuck up.
I like when they go.
Like especially on a long car ride.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll blame it on somebody else. I'll be like, damn, you fucking stink. I'll be Cheese Bailey. Heavy as fuck.
All right, so we just got to Maxed Wraps. We're about to unload this Defender, get it in. it's going to be a pretty hard thing to keep a secret from y'all because of the montage footage of them wrapping the buggy and the color. Like, I can't film it and y'all not see the color. So the buggy is getting wrapped. We're changing the painted panels. So this is going to change. This will change. This, and like same for the other side, exact same. But changing the color, doing something a little spicy. I'm excited for it. Cheese is definitely excited, but it's honestly the goal with it was for us to be riding, because there's a lot of Lone Stars. There's a lot of black ones. There's a lot, and really the only way y'all know this is even me is the Vessel sticker on the front. So we're gonna change the color to something you can't forget, so that when this is on at a park or on the trail and you pass this thing, you're like, ah, yeah, that was definitely Jim. So we're gonna get this unloaded. We're gonna get it in the shop. Fuck you! And go ahead and start this process. It is cold. All right, so we just got the Defender pulled in. It's going under the knife. I'll pick y'all up either if we A, run into a problem, or B, something funny happens. But I'm gonna throw y'all into a montage. We'll see how this Defender turns out, right? Jeez, throw him into a montage. Throw him into a montage. Jeez, what? The camera, cover the camera. All right, try it again, one more time. Grab it good. So I told y'all I'd pick y'all up if something crazy ended up happening. Well, Paul, he's got his big buggy in here, and at Busco for Fall Bash, he destroyed a portal, destroyed the transmission, and he just cracked the transmission open. Look what's inside of this thing.
It's really not that bad.
So we have some pieces. Do you think we could put them back in?
I think we can put it back together, honestly.
Okay.
I think this one goes like right here.
Well, I'm looking right here, and we're missing chunks. Dude, you really outshined
Really got
yourself.
a hold of that one.
Oh yeah. Look at it, it's just glittered out everything. It's so much worse when you zoom in on it. But if you want to check this out, he just split the transmission, and we have a load of missing parts right here. Where else? Where else in here?
That's pretty much it.
That one, and I know one of those gears is missing a chunk, but this is what was found inside of it. And oh my God.
No good.
Well, I wonder, Cheese, what's your guess on the repair bill for this? I'm saying $1,300. I think $1,300 brings this thing back to life.
I think about 1,300.
Yeah.
2,500 after labor.
Labor, they're doing it. I can't stand you.
The cost of JB Weld has went up, so it might be about 1,400.
JB Weld's crazy.
We love JB Weld.
And I guess this honestly is a pretty good stopping point for one of the panels to be finally done. It looks sick. I can see my reflection in it. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, boy. Oh, yeah. Better hide your old lady from the old shaggin' wagon, because this thing's about to get wicked. All right, guys, so we just got done wrapping the Defender Lone Star. It's not black anymore, as y'all can tell, but big shout out to Maxed Out Wraps for hooking us up with this insane wrap job. Dude, the turnaround time was same day. And we've been working on this for like over a month, and we had to keep it hush-hush because it's a pretty stealthy color, if I had to say so myself. So if we're at a park and you see this, you're not going to know it's us because, you know, incognito is what they would say. So big shout out to them. They don't really advertise the buggy wraps or do the off-road wraps much, but if you have a truck, semi-truck, box truck, dump truck, any truck, vehicle, car, truck, anything, Lamborghini, they can wrap it. But with that being said, if y'all need anything, make sure to hit them up. They will be linked in the comment section below. Hit them up, tell them I sent you, let them know that y'all came from this video and checking this thing out, because I'm in love with it. So I guess we're gonna load this thing up, head back to the house, and surprise a couple people with how it turned out, because everybody's like, oh, you're doing pink, you're doing purple. Yeah, how about purple? Pink pearl. Is that what you say? Pink, purple, pink?
It's a purple.
Pink, purple.
It's a purple.
Pink, purple.
It's a purple.
Purple? A pink, purple.
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 That's what I would call it.
That's like blue purple, though. Purple. Oh, shit. I don't know.
What would you guys call it?
I say, I done forgot. Pink, purple. Pink, purple. Pink, purple. I would say pink, purple. Pink, purple, pink, purple. Say that 5 times fast. Pink, purple. Pink, purple, pink, purple. Pink, purple, pink, purple, pink, purple.